Alright, so it's 5 a.m. in the morning. I haven't really slept tonight, and the reason being is I'm excited. I am pumped up. I have got my battery packed to 100%. I have revved it. I have rested. I actually fell asleep from 10 a.m. to 9 p.m., 10 p.m. at night yesterday, and a lot has been going through my mind. I feel like I reached a peak, but then I went back down. So I've been doing some trading. So you know when you go up and then the stock goes back down, or the coin goes back down, that's how I feel like. And I was watching some videos, I was writing down some stuff. I was like, what is my ideal life? Because right now I feel like I'm going up, 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 but I feel like I'm about to curve and drop. And the reason I feel like I'm about to curve and drop is I'm not spiritually grounded. I'm not connected to my inner being as much as I want to. So what we're doing is we are rolling with a show or a series, whatever you want to call it. I'm sorry, I am a bit tired. Like I said, it's 5 a.m., but it's going to be called Road to Millionaire. What Road to Millionaire is going to... By the way, I'm in my basement because I don't want to wake people up, but if I had my own apartment or my own house, I definitely would be blasting some tunes. I'd be feeling good right now, jumping around like an idiot, you know, TikTok viral dancer. I'm not one of those. I'm very blessed to have a roof over my head, but that's why I'm actually in the basement. So back to Road to Millionaire. Road to Millionaire, well, it's Road to Millionaire, guys, but it's not for the reason you think. It's not to have the nice car, to have the $1 million mansion, and to have the $1 million clothes. Because to be honest, I will have some designer stuff I like for some artistic brands, but for the most part, I'm going to be investing. My mom's getting up to a certain age. I'm scared shitless. I'm trying to spend time with her. I want to create the life that I want for her. She always wanted me to become a doctor, a lawyer, you know, sit in that cubicle, make money for the government, whatever it is. But I didn't want that for myself. I grew up a very rebellious kid. And now we're doing something big, and I cannot go another day without thinking of this. Road to Millionaire is going to be freaking huge. We're going to be showing our failures, our rewards, our gains, our victories. How I'm going to do this is through alarm sales. So I am a full-time sales representative. 5 a.m. wake up. I'm a full-time sales rep for alarm sales. I've been doing door-to-door sales and sales over the phone for about 7-8 years now. I'm 25. I started when I was about 17, 16. That's how I plan to get my income. How I plan to scale it is through trading, through crypto and digital currency, and through Forex. And I plan to start a couple businesses as well too. I plan to do coaching because I really feel like I have a lot to gain, but also a lot to deliver. This video is getting way too long, or this part in the video of day one of Road to Millionaire. My dog's barking. That's another thing. I plan to take my dog out for walks twice a day. I've been keeping her inside, focusing on work. That's not the way to have a pet. So I am going to do Road to Millionaire. We're going to get there in a year. That's my time frame, a year, because I'm going to compound my interest. And by compounding my interest, you know, we start off with $100. We win a $50 trade. We take that $150, compound it to $300. I'm not good at math. I failed with 10%. I'm going to prove all the naysayers that I can do it. We're still going to do day in the life videos. We're going to still do breakdowns of successful people and their challenges, their habits. We're going to do this though. It's 5 a.m. Stay blessed. Oh, the video continues throughout the day. Stay blessed for this moment and throughout the next 24 hours. I got to go walk my dog.
I still remember when I was really free, and all the things I lived. In the midst of the things that I left, I regret for this. It won't be the same, yeah. I never felt this way, cause I want to come back and find my way. And I have to run and run away. I finally choose, yeah. Cause it feels like I'm wide awake and I'm standing in time. Now I'm disappearing, looking for life. This isn't the time for you. Yeah, I'm wide awake for real.
So I guess this road to millionaire is really because your life isn't guaranteed. Life isn't guaranteed. I've heard some people that passed away, they were pretty young. This COVID situation had messed everyone left, right, and sideways. My gym was closed down for 3 months. I went absolutely crazy. I tried to, keep my mental health and my sanity in check. Really what I want to be able to do is make videos in the mountains in Africa, and then a month later be in Norway or wherever in an igloo watching the northern lights and selling alarms in Australia. And the next day, because I have the day off, I want to be going scuba diving and doing trades in Egypt and riding camels later that day. And I'm not saying that's reality in everyone's perfect world, but I think that we all need to reach for our highest potential. And Road to Millionaire is showing you from the bottom up. Yeah, I got a nice house. I came from living in an apartment. Before that, I pretty much came from being homeless almost and sleeping in my car because I made some stupid decisions, being addicted to drugs, drinking all the time, partying all the time. Now I want to go party, but I want to dance, right? I don't care about none of that stuff. I just want to have fun and be free, feel like a bird flying. But that's what Road to Millionaire is about. Subscribe to my YouTube channel, like the video. I don't even know if I can hear myself. Gotta put on the mask all the time. And then after I get back home after the gym, I'm gonna take a nap for an hour and a half. Then we've got a meeting for work. Well, eat and then hours. So yeah, just wake up, get the sunrise behind me.
Remember when I was really free and all the things I lived, and the midst all the things that I left.
Alright, so I'm walking back from the gym, and I wanted to film in the gym, but I need to save up for a home gym because I want to do a lot of workout videos. And right now with COVID and the restrictions and the distance, you can't even set up a camera because people are everywhere, right? But yeah, I want to save up for a home gym. So I was really tired going into that workout, to be honest, and as soon as I got into it, I got really pumped up. I'm on a couple of hours sleep here, but again, I slept the day before. I want to continue my conversation and finding my why and why I want to do Road to a Millionaire. So back when I was 18, can't even see this because of the glare, but back when I was 18, I had a dream. I wanted to become a millionaire. I wanted the hottest girls. I wanted the nicest car. I wanted the phone number, bank account, right? And as time progressed, I slowly stopped thinking about materialistic things. So this brings me to talking about, are you the chosen one? Everyone's concerned about their past. I was as well too. Now, if you would have given me the opportunity I'm given now 3 years ago, 4 years ago, 5 years ago, with the sales, working from home, trading, forex and digital currency, buying and selling, whatever, earning profits daily and nightly when you're sleeping. If you would have given me that opportunity 4 or 5 years ago, all that money would have went to waste on pointless stuff that was never going to really make me happy. I've had 3 cars up until age 15 to 20. What did I do? I got a little scratch on that car and I sold it. Literally, that was me. If it wasn't looking perfect, it wasn't worth my time. So I'm happy the opportunity is presenting itself now because I'm not in this success journey for the wrong reasons anymore. I'm looking to help and change people's lives and my own and the people around me. So I'm watching Thomas Carlisle. He's a great YouTuber. He's a professional trader. He's a great businessman. He has great fundamentals, great principles to teach success. And here he's talking about what the 1% people do versus the 99% of people that don't. Remember, if you are 99% of people, you're just going to be average. If you're 1% of people, you'll do more. All right, so just a little update on today. Today is going to be a great day. I'm envisioning it, I'm visualizing it. But the last couple days for my sales job with alarms have been, I'm just going to keep on pushing through and know that we got to throw more coal into the chamber there and get the locomotive going, because once we do that, we're going. Once we stop doing that, we're not going. So we're going to push through whatever this is. I've been feeling really crappy and really horrible the last 4 to 5 days. Had a bit of time to rest there, and looking at my trading chart, again, we're just going to keep pushing through because I know there's an uptrend coming. So I'm just tackling some sales calls here, and we're just going to keep on going. Today I'm breaking records for call volume. I cannot stand my call volume the last couple months, so I really want to break records today. But yeah, we're just going to keep on get those wheels churning. And I'm liking my new schedule for sleep. I want to see if I could tackle this, because if I can, we're gonna do some great things on the day to day and the night to night. But yeah, I'm gonna get back into this here. Absolutely find it mind-blowing. I made a video and I said I just was gonna do it. I said we hit some speed bumps and we just had to keep on driving, keep on pushing through. I was up till 6 a.m. all night. I was good, and then I slept a bit, and then I slept again for a couple of hours. I'm at 2 sales right now, and what I realized is, man, shit's gonna happen. Storms are gonna come. You know, we're gonna get down on our knees, and we're gonna cry, and we're gonna yell, and we're gonna scream, we're gonna kick. But at the end of the day, you got to get back up. You have your little temper tantrum. You have your little moment to yourself. I slept for 10 hours yesterday. I felt so sick. And today I just feel great because I know what I'm working towards. We're at 2. The day's not even halfway done. And I feel like $1,000,000. And I slept all day, but I think I've had 0 sleep. I'm changing my sleep schedule though. I'm excited for this because I feel good right now. I feel focused. I feel dialed in. And Road to Millionaire Day 1 is going pretty good. Sorry guys, I'm not purchasing a Lamborghini or taking a trip right now. The trips will happen eventually, but life is going pretty good. I'm gonna go for a 15-20 minute walk here and reset my mind and listen to some music, and we're gonna get back on that train. We're gonna get back on the winning train. The winning train. So part of my Road to Millionaire challenge is trading. Oh God, that's scary. I'm quaking in my boots. No, I'm actually not. I should be buying more, but I really don't have no more money. This is gonna skyrocket. I'm just waiting. It already did. It came back down. We're just waiting. When you trade, you gotta take your emotions out of it, right? Things are going to go up, things are go down. A lot of people get scared and they take out their money and then they lose money, and then 2 days later it goes back up. And then it's like, oh shit, I should have kept that in there, right? So this is how we're going to get to the Millionaire Challenge. Of course, my full-time job, but investing. Yeah. We're on a downtrend right now, but I know she's going to correct. I know she's gonna get back in the gym and get healthy again, get that body she's always wanted, and she's gonna skyrocket. She's gonna go up. It's March 4th. We'll see what she's gonna do.
Regret for this, it won't be the same, yeah. I never felt this way, 'cause I want to come back and find my way.
It's a really great day today. So, just a little swig, that's all I need. Honestly, it's just a great day today. I feel like $1,000,000. I feel like this day is the perfect day for a Road to Millionaire challenge. I pulled in 3 sales today from my full-time job, selling alarms, if I didn't mention it already 3 or 4 times during the day. And we are going to make some more money tonight doing some trades. And you know how I know we're making money? We're only losing 1 trade out of 7 to 8 trades. Live trades, not scalping or holding trades. We're talking about Forex. We're talking about Forex trading. What else am I gonna do? I'm tired. I'm gonna be honest. I'm getting tired now. I'm getting ready for bed soon. I'm gonna have a bath. I'm gonna listen to some music. I'm gonna meditate. I think I'm gonna go for a run. I want to pump up the basketball and head to the court, but it's probably gonna be completely blanketed by water because the snow's melting here in Canada, Winnipeg, Manitoba. I feel really good. I needed a break yesterday and I got it. I feel 10 times better. And even with very little sleep, I think I've been really successful today. I've been really tracking my performance. So now I'm gonna make a couple more calls for work. I'm almost done my work day. We're gonna learn. This time we're gonna learn. I'm not gonna lay on my bed and browse through my phone. We're gonna learn stuff. So that's what we're doing. Road to Millionaire is a success for today, but we still gotta get these gains. We're gonna get these gains, and I'm not talking about muscles. I'm talking about cash flow. As Grant Cardone says, baby, cash flow. I don't care about cash flow. I care about consistency. I care about building an empire. I'm just in a great mood. Stay blessed.